What if I told you there's already an artificial intelligence that can organize your day better than you can? Yes, an AI that not only reminds you of your tasks, but understands you, adapts to your energy levels, and even tells you when not to work. Imagine opening your eyes and hearing a voice say, "Good morning, you slept 6 hours and 47 minutes. Your energy level is at 78%. I recommend postponing your meeting with Diego until the afternoon when your focus improves." Sounds like science fiction? It's not. Right now, thousands of people are already letting AI manage their days, minute by minute. The question isn't if it can do it, it's whether it should. For decades, we've used planners, calendars, and more recently apps like Google Calendar, Notion, or Todoist to stay organized. But all of them share one big limitation. They depend on you to use them properly. You have to write down the tasks, assign the times, set the priorities, and remember to check them. But what if an AI could do it all for you without you typing a single reminder? An AI that learns your habits, your concentration hours, your lifestyle, and even reorganizes your entire day automatically, minute by minute. That idea, which sounds futuristic, is already happening. Today, tools like Reclaim.ai, Motion, Sansama, and even AI assistants like Claude, ChatGPT, or Copilot can analyze your emails, meetings, and habits to tell you what to do and when to do it. These AIs don't just place events on a calendar, they detect if you're stressed based on your activity levels. They identify which tasks you tend to postpone, and they automatically rearrange your day so you actually achieve your goals. For example, Motion reshuffles your schedule in real time. If something gets canceled, it adjusts your entire day in seconds. If you sleep poorly, it reduces your cognitively demanding tasks to protect your productivity. We're talking about a living schedule, one that evolves with you. And that raises a deeper question. Are we still the ones organizing our lives, or has a machine already started doing it for us? Because let's be honest, organizing your time isn't just a technical act. It's an emotional decision. Choosing what to do first, what to postpone, and what to say no to defines who you are. Your calendar doesn't just reflect your time, it reflects your values. If an AI starts making those choices for you, even for your own good, wouldn't we lose something essentially human? What if that AI notices that every time you talk to a certain person, you end up exhausted and decides to stop scheduling meetings with them? Technically, it's helping you. But what if that person was your brother, your partner, or someone who just needed you that day? AI doesn't understand the emotional context behind your decisions. It only sees patterns, efficiency, performance. And that's where the dilemma begins. Do we want a perfect schedule or a messy, imperfect life that's still ours? But let's admit it, the idea is tempting. Imagine your calendar saying, your energy is dropping, schedule a 10-minute walk. Your partner's birthday is Friday, I cleared your afternoon to celebrate. You focus best between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m. I blocked that time for deep work. This isn't fantasy anymore. AI can analyze your biological rhythms through your smartwatch, your emails, your sleep patterns, and even your tone of voice. Little by little, it knows you better than you know yourself. So the question evolves from, can AI replace your planner, to something even more unsettling. Can AI know you better than you do? But there's one detail almost no one talks about. Every decision you delegate is a fragment of your freedom you give away. If your schedule depends on a cloud-based AI, your habits, emotions, and decisions are being recorded, analyzed, and potentially used. The companies behind these tools don't just want to help you be more productive, they want to know you, predict you, and shape you. Maybe today the AI just rearranges your meetings, but tomorrow it could suggest what to buy, who to meet, or when to rest, because statistically it's best for you. And at that point, without realizing it, your personal agenda is no longer yours. It's what an algorithm believes your life should look like. Still, not everything is dark. There are people who see this as an incredible opportunity. Those with ADHD, depression, or anxiety find in AI a structure that brings clarity and balance. Overworked entrepreneurs regain mental space. Parents juggling 1,000 tasks can finally focus on what truly matters. their family. In those cases, AI doesn't replace the planner, it replaces the chaos. And maybe that's the real point. AI doesn't come to control us, but to free us, if we know how to use it consciously. So the real question isn't whether AI can replace your planner, because it can, and it will. The real question is, will you let it replace your ability to decide what your time is worth? Because that's the invisible boundary between what helps you live and what starts living for you. Maybe the future doesn't depend on AI learning more, but on you learning when to let it in. So tell me, would you hand over control of your time to artificial intelligence? Or do you still prefer to be the architect of your own days with all the chaos and beauty that come with them? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you'd like to see how AI is already designing full daily schedules, don't miss the next video, because what's coming next will change how you see your routine forever.